Be careful here. We could bounce the way this market is acting. Any big washes get bought up hard, right? Big washes just keep getting bought up. Let's see if this thing can reclaim this 185. We might get a big freaking bounce again here. So I'm gonna grab some NVIDIA calls here too. Man, look at this thing go. What a beauty. I mean, man, I want to take some profits here, but I definitely don't want to sell myself short. So let's give it a bit. We still got a little ways to go before that gets to there. We got a ways to go before I think we can just rip right through this. This is small compared to the 30,000 shares we had sitting at 282. Okay, so now you saw the live action. You kind of saw the thought process a little bit there as I went into it. I took it here because of support. I took it here because of the dip in the market. I took it here for quite a few reasons. Then you can see in the live action here, I was looking at possibly here, but it just blew right through it. And I wasn't going to sell myself short. I ended up taking profits at 285 as I felt like 285 was a magnet, and that was probably about all we were going to get out of it today. But now what was I trading? When I said the calls, these are the calls that I was trading, all right, the 285s. So I was in with a 127 average on this, just like it showed in the video when I got in, and then I sold at 335 and like 345. Somewhere up in here, it was over 330 and 335 were my final sells. Like I said in the video, I didn't want to sell myself short, and that's why. So as you can see, this was just like a lower price stock. It went from $1.50 to 350 and went from, if you caught it right at the open into that wash, which I didn't, I waited for it, but it was a 123 low. I got a 127 average, so yeah, I did catch pretty close to the bottom there. Anyway, so that's it here. This was a nice win on this, and this is how you do it. You just get in. It's just like a penny stock. You don't have to trade. This is one of the big misconceptions about large caps, is that you have to have huge capital, you have to have all these things, and the truth is that you don't. That's the truth. The truth is you can play the options. You can play it with a cash account. There is no PDT rule on a cash account. You can take as many trades as you want. You can scale in, you can scale out. It just depends on how much cash you have. So you can buy and buy and buy until you run out of cash. You can sell and sell and sell, and you don't get that money from your sells until the next day. Options fund overnight. You have all that cash back in your account the next day. So there's more than one way to make money in this market, and if you want to learn some of this, come join me at smashthebid.com. I'll show you how I do it.